Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about that when you try to dock using AutoDock tools, sometimes I'm talking about MGL tools, sometimes this error pops up. So let me first show you the error. So first let's run the AutoGrid. So here I am running this AutoGrid, and this is what we usually do is that we go to C program files, and here I'm gonna open the script, yeah, this file. And here we usually select this AutoGrid 4, right? And then in parameter files, here is my folder. So here let's select this grid, and now let's launch the AutoGrid. Oh, what happened here? So here is some error. The error says cannot find or open receptor PDQT file. Well, what's going on? The file is actually there. If you go to this folder, so it's talking about this file. Yeah, it is there. Let me show you. Where is that? Yeah, here is that file. So it is there, but it is saying that cannot find or open this file. Well, what's going on? Let's try to solve this problem. The solution is very easy. Let's first close everything. Now what we will do is that let's go step by step. First, let's go to C program files x86, and here is where is that the Scripps Research Institute, and here let's copy these two files, these two executables. Let's copy it and paste it somewhere in a folder which does not contain any space. So the folder name should not contain any space. Paste it in that folder and then try to open it from MGL tools. So I have already copied it in this folder. So here is the COVID folder, and I have already copied it. Let's repaste it. So here I have copied it. Now next step would be that let's go into properties of this folder, and yeah, here let's uncheck this read only and apply, and also let's go to advanced first. No, not advanced. Yeah, that's okay. So let's apply it. So first step is this, that we have to copy these two files from the program files folder into another folder, possibly in C drive, and that folder name should not contain any space. Let's say if it was like this, it would again cause an error. So let's remove any space. So there shouldn't be any space in the folder name. This is very important. Next is that, as I've discussed, that we have to um, uncheck the read only. Then let's move forward. Let's go to AutoDock Tools, and here I'm not gonna click it to open it. I am gonna right click and open the file location, and now here right click and run as administrator. So here again it has been opened. So yeah, we are again here in the MGL tools, AutoDock tools, and now let's try to run AutoGrid. And here now I'm not gonna go to C program files and all these things. I'm just gonna go to C and the folder in which we pasted the files. In my case it's C COVID, and now let's select, because we are gonna run first the AutoGrid. So now we will select AutoGrid. Secondly, I have already created parameter file. If you do not know what I am talking about, please first watch a beginner tutorial on YouTube about the docking. So here I have already created uh, this parameter file, and it looks something like grid.gpf. Here again it's very important that the name should not contain any space. Let's say if the name was like this, again it will cause a problem. It will render a error. So there should be no space. I don't know why this program hates spaces, but that is what it is. So let's open it, and now it should not cause any problem. So again, there is that same problem. So let's try to fix it in another way. So let's go to File, Preferences, and Set. And here I'm gonna select this folder in which all my files are saved. In my case, it is C COVID. So let's copy it, paste here, and Control V, set, and then let's click here. And now let's again try to run AutoGrid. So everything is set up. Let's. So yeah, now it's working. Thankfully, now it's full. So yeah, AutoGrid has finally run, and now I can run AutoDock. So let's go to AutoDock. Let's go to Browse. Here I'm gonna select the AutoDock 4, and parameter file is, here is my parameter file. Again, it should not contain spaces, remember this, and let's launch it. So yeah, it's running fine, thankfully. So after it will take a lot of time actually. So after about half or 40 minutes, hopefully it will be successfully completed. So that's how you solve the problem. Thank you so much for watching this video.